So what's up, y'all? This is my unboxing video. My Pittsburgh Automotive car ramps. Got these from Harbor Freight. They were like 32 bucks with the discount. I got these because my car sits very low. I have a GTI, and we're gonna see if these things will fit under it. Okay, so as I open the package, the box, I notice the bottom part, which my mechanic was telling me is important. Say if this whole thing if this thing is hollow, then it's no good. You have no support. But it's not, as you can see. It has all these little supports and grooves, so this is a good one. Alright, I'm gonna put my car up on it. We'll see what it do. Alright, got it up there. Seemed to be no problem, no scraping. It was touching a little bit, but it went up, didn't mess my bumper up. It's perfect. $34, $32. What? Alright. So, this Pittsburgh ramp, they're very nice. They're light. They can handle my car. They can handle my wife's Chevy Silverado. We'll see. Alright.